You see, the most cloned Bluetooth speaker ever is probably a JBL Flip. Go on Amazon, look for Bluetooth speakers. You'll see half of the stuff up there are JBL Flip lookalikes. And what are they? Are they any good? Most of them are just junk. They have two 1.5-inch drivers in it. But I did find something that might be worth your while. This is the Miatone Boompro Bluetooth speaker. It's a two-way configuration, just like your average JBL Flip 6. Size-wise, it's also the same. But hey, it's cheap. $35. It's very, very cheap for what it is. We're going to do a quick sound check. I'm going to show you how good it sounds, comparing it against the Tozo PA1 and a Bose Soundlink Revolve. Similar size speaker. The Tozo is similarly priced. The Bose is very expensive. We'll see how good it performs. Let me pop open the grill of this speaker. You'll remember, this is pretty familiar. This is that Huachangbei Eggroll mini speaker. Let's pop it open. You'll see that two-way configuration. Alright, we'll start with the Miatone against the Tozo PA1. Playing at 50%. Let's get it.
Is it just a dream I'm having inside my fantasies? Come to me. You are in my thoughts. I never stray from the heart of you. Come to me. Beyond the surface, we can be under the water. Searching you, I wanna feel every part of this. Come to me, forever and a day, whatever feelings take hold of you, set me free.
Alright, now I'm going to be playing them at maximum volume, starting with the Miatone.
Am I touching you? I wanna feel every part of this. Come to me, forever and a day, whatever feelings take hold of you, set me free. The body that I give to you, all over you. Your touch is like the starlight. Your body makes me delve into all I do, taking me to land.
So yeah, there you have it. Just a little quick sound comparison. As you can see, the Tozo seems to have more bass at the third EQ mode at moderate listening levels. And at the loudest mode the Tozo is, the first mode, I think it's also a little louder than the Miatone. But at the same time, the Tozo is also bigger. It's got the bigger driver here. Looking at the size, almost 1.5 times the size of that woofer on the Miatone. It's also a little bigger and a little heavier. So it's only natural that it performs better. I personally prefer the sound of the Miatone because it does not distort at moderate levels. The Tozo distort at moderate level at the third mode, but at other modes it's too tinny. So, well, it's a give and take. Let's compare it now against the Bose Soundlink Revolve. Alright, we're going to be using the Miatone first. Going to play the Miatone first at 50% volume. Let's go.
It's just a dream I'm having inside my fantasy. Come to me. You are in my thoughts. I never stray from the heart of you. Come to me. And if we can be on the surface, we can be under the water. Far underwater love. And if it serves a deeper purpose, we can be under the water. It's underwater love.
Yeah. Now let's. Oh wait, I haven't played the Bose yet. Yeah, I was gonna crank it all the way up, but still at 50% volume on the Bose.
Am I touching you? I wanna feel every part of this. Come to me. Forever and a day, whatever feelings take hold of you. Set me free.
All right, max volume on the Miatone.
The body that I give to you, all of you. It touches like the starlight. Your body makes me delve into all I do. Taking me to land. We can be on the surface. We can be under the water. Underwater love. And if it serves a deeper purpose, we can be under the water. For underwater love can be on the
Well, yeah, about the same loudness and maximum volume. Regular volumes, the Bose is a little more boosted, however, but it's just a mid-bass boost. Both of them has a low-end extension of approximately, I'd say, 60 hertz. Doesn't go any lower than that. Bose is more boosted. The Miatone isn't as boosted, but they both sound full body. They don't sound tinny at all. As for on maximum volume, same loudness. Just the Bose has a overall compression. It's compressed. Like unlike the Miatone, it's like a bass reduction. The Bose is like a bass reduction, treble and mid boost. They actually boost the mids and treble and then compress the sound. I'm pretty sure the Bose has a more powerful processor inside it. The Miatone, we'll take it apart. We'll see what we have, in terms of the DSP. But I'm pretty sure there's DSP involved on both of these speakers. All right. So I want to review another speaker that, in my opinion, is also a Huaqiangbei champion. In fact, I think this is even better than the small Miatone. I'll tell you what this is in the next video. I'll reveal it. I'll review and do a sound check and tear down and everything. This, we're going to call it the Huaqiangbei Eggroll speaker, large version. I'm going to do a back and forth with two of these speakers, starting from the Miatone, both playing at 50%. Hopefully this would give you a good idea of how they sound. Starting from the Miatone, let's go.
On the right stick, baby, how
quick sound demo. I'll be doing a full review on the speaker next video. As you can see, hey, speaker the Eggroll large is not only is more defined, in my opinion, sounds better. The treble is smoother, more refined. It also has more low end extension. It sounds full bodied, and it sounds very good. I feel like this is a Charge 5 competitor, no doubt about it. I'll do a review on that. Let's get to the bass test segment of the Miatone. All right, gangster rap time.
Let me put this trap on the map. Trap boy, where you from? Let's show them 看是我的风，沙片把嘴叼的红灯圈，从小走到大的路，全部是老片儿从何解？我的脑壳有点木，不晓得眼睛放哪里，长醒了才晓得小屁娃儿是妈没得人要管的，叔叔伯伯夜总会迎个夜火。车停到门口，记得要把牌照遮住。从小到大看得最多都是灯红酒绿的世界，能够精彩，我日妈啷个读书？他就挺的咋比，鸡巴有理。一幅画的古戏，半个龙凤呈现吊起。沙发上面坐的老气，肚儿长期歇息。夏天走到哪里，日妈空调都不给力，没得几个精。昨年3点5在苏里有路口，突然突然成人在塑料袋扣住我的双耳，土海呀传来我11的耳，中文的卡面软磨的婆婆，有名和全都没有马克，突然个一旦有些规则，日本人弄好了学的文本，人多但不像礼拜，旁边的妹妹3个好几百，大高头尾巴给踢开，这就是我们平常的土海，他天是我不写马槽，我刚才离开他不是我的菜，跟你们合不来，我不是富二代，他装的保人区。我穿白是假的 T 恤，像雪花表新猎曲。来比赛 running， 但你可以筛骰子，可能变首富，可能脱裤子。你可以讨厌我，因为其实你会帮我抽数字。I don't want you come， 我不在时间，别给我拖。你们很直接，还能够接。我等到明天，你可以讨厌我，随时太不接。把给的 flow 给没动动马魂，我喜欢低调，不喜欢显眼。不去做 carry， 不去做推荐，你没有人脉，也没有水脸。昨年3年5。
All right, let's do a teardown now. Alright, so you gotta remove the passive radiator, reveal the 6 screws behind here. You pop it off, we'll reveal the circuit board. Okay, so just open, revealing the woofer driver with this neodymium magnet. It's an okay sized magnet, about 0.75 inches wide diameter. That's alright. And this is a flip 6 woofer clone. This is a Milo tweeter here. Let's be able to see that. Turn on the lights. Oh shit. Yep. That's a Milo tweeter connected to the circuit board. It is a biamp system with a natural crossover. The woofer is filtered. It's not just a capacitor on the tweeter. Pop the woofer off just to show y'all. Decent woofer. Pretty soft actually. I think softer than the Flip 6 driver. I don't have the Flip 6 anymore, which is why I'm not comparing it against the JBL speaker. But yeah. Here's your battery. It's a 18650 unit, 7.4 volt. It's got a built-in BMS, 2500 milliamp hours. Just your average battery. It's nothing special. But hey, yeah. Anyway, so I couldn't get this white thing to come off. I don't want to destroy the circuit board, but there's really nothing the backside of it except for all the buttons and all. Here is the Bluetooth system on chip, or not system, Bluetooth integrated circuit. It has all that audio processing circuit, I'm assuming. AC23BPQ, I don't know. I do not know if ACP Workbench would work on this. I have not tried it yet. I'm just gonna assume it won't because it's not a MV Silicon or a, what was that brand again? Whoever the ACP were. Oh, it's ST Microelectronics. Anyways, that is that. And here is our power amplifier. It is a stereo amplifier. It's the ACM 8625P. I'm gonna look it up, see how many watts that is. Okay, this is very interesting. The DSP, instead of being built into the Bluetooth chip, it seems to be built into the amplifier chip. It has a built-in bass enhancement circuit, DSP circuit. It's also programmable. This is very, very interesting. Of course, we need our battery management, the battery charging chip, that IP2326 chip. And this, I am guessing, is to control the RGB LEDs for the passive radiators. Very interesting. You know, it is still a 3-chip configuration. With the RGB LED added to it, it is a 4-chip configuration. So it's nothing out of the ordinary. I'd say this is a well-built circuit board. I don't see any traces of soldering done poorly or, you know, bad masking or anything like that. Pretty clean, very... It seems to be well engineered, just like the entire speaker. They seem to have tuned it to the right frequency, so that would sound good with a properly integrated amplifier. Okay, that's all. All right, guys. So there you have it. I believe this qualifies as a cheap man's JBL Flip 6. If you broke, you want some good sound, go for the Miatone Boompro. However, it does have some flaws, though. I'm not gonna lie. First up, bass extension. It kind of rolls off pretty steep at around 65 to 60 hertz. That's about the lowest it could go. I'm pretty sure the hardware could go deeper, but for some reason I think they made that decision in the software side of the speaker, so it doesn't play very deep bass. Another thing I do not like about this speaker is the fact that this is Miatone, and I don't know if you guys are aware, but Miatone are the American version of the sexy speaker from Dangpots. And I think it was their boombox speaker that had the awesome sexy voice. Let me remind you.
Auxiliary mode.
Anything
Yeah. Oh boy. I love it. Anyways, it is non-existent. Listen to the welcoming tones. This is all you get. Yeah, just some random chimes and dumbass lo-fi WAV5. So, no sexy voice. That's a big turn off. So I'd say the speaker is a no-go. Don't get it. I'm just joking. Anyways, it's a good speaker. Go grab it. It's cheap. Usually $30-something. Sometimes probably go down to 25 maybe. If you could get it at that price, it is a Hua Changbei champion. Awesome.